Today we will talk about the Dominican snow.
Dominican snow!
Dominican snow!
The levels of seaweed in Punta Cana vary day by day.
Grows in the coral, and when it's big waves, the waves break down the
Special workers are cleaning the beaches. All hotel beaches in Punta Cana and Bávaro are cleared daily of algae.
This morning they already cleaning it. This is new. You see the brown is old.
But in the northern part of Punta Cana, algae appear much less often. The most intensive growth of algae is observed in the summer months, as well as in the rainy season. Dominicans understand that this particular stuff doesn't bring joy to tourists, because travelers love clean white sand.
Dominican snow.
Dominican
It's important to know that the seaweed called sargassum is not garbage or pollution, but the large amounts that reach the Caribbean coast represent an economic and environmental problem for countries such as the Dominican Republic, because they smell and scratch. In the middle of summer there are a lot of them. The warmer, the more sargassum. What do they do with the grass from the sea? How do they solve this problem? How do they recycle them? For example, the Dominicans use seaweed to feed livestock and also as a biofuel. The second, there is a sea solution. Many companies are involved in the processing of sargassum. They produce a liquid biostimulant. It positively affects the growth and resistance of plants. It strengthens the roots and thus leads to a better nutrient absorption, fewer pests and diseases, and thereby higher yields. The state plans to build a special fish net to protect the coast from the penetration of sargassum. They will be collected in the water of the coast and regularly sent for recycling. But today it's better to choose Boca Chica. By the way, they come from this sea and make tourists nervous. So guys, welcome to this crazy, beautiful tropic land. Please subscribe the channel. Bye bye.